Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 4. So students, all the students open your book page number 27. So you know that we have to do exercise number 2A, in which firstly we have to do MCQs, true, false and MCQs about the rules of divisibility. So in our yesterday lecture we have to do question number 4 and 5, in which we have to learn rule of divisibility of even numbers that be come on the table of 2 and also to be a divisibility of 3. How do we have find out that a number is divisible by 3, yes or no? So students, you know that let's be an even number, last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is a come on the table of 2. So that's a number is divisible 2. But that's a number you have to check is divisible or not divisible table of 3. You have to take a sum of that number. It's be a come on the table of 3, that's be a multiple of the table of 3 is divisible. If the not a multiple of the table of 3 is not be a divisible. So today we have to learn how that's a number is divided by 5, yes or no. So all the students open your book page number 27. Question number 6. In which they say that which of the following number are divisible by 5. So in this question you have to define there's be a number dividable or not divisible by 5. So students, you know that there's a number of to check that's the number is divisible 5 or not. You look out its last number. If the last number unit number is a 5 or 0, the number is divisible 5. But if a number is not have a 5 or 0, like that's a number of 1, 2, 3 of a unit number like 7, 8, 9 have a unit number, so this number is not divisible 5. So we remember that the unit number last digit of that the number is 0 or a 5 is divisible 5, and other that's a number 1, 2, 4 and 6 to 9 is not be divisible by 5. So look out your question. Question number 6, which of the following number is divisible by 5? Question number A is equal 2900. So students, you know that firstly we look out its unit place. What is the unit place? Unit place is the last digit. Is the last digit. If the digit is 0 or a 5, if a digit is 0 or a 5 is divisible by 5. So look out that the digit is a 0. So yes, 2900 is divisible because it has a 0 at the unit place. Because unit place last digit. That's भी जब भी किसी नंबर के लास्ट पे 0 या 5 होगा वो नंबर 5 पे divisible होगा. तो it's have a 0 at the unit place and the last number is known as the unit place. Question B is 6954. So firstly we look out its unit place. What is the unit place? Unit place is the last digit of a number. So look out this 4. So you know that in a multiple of 5 the last digits must be a 5 or a 0. Other number that's be a 1 to 4 and 6 to 9 is not to be a come at the unit digit in a divisibility of 5. So it's a 4. So it means that it's not a divisible. So we write down no, 6954 is not divisible because it has a 4 at the unit place and only a 5 and a 0 at the unit place. That's be a number is divisible 5. Then you have a part C, 4085. So student, look out your unit place. Unit place is a 5. So it means that yes, 4085 is a divisible because it has a 5 at the unit place. So student, we remember that when you have discussed the last digit and find out that this number is to be a divisible yes or no in a number of 5. So you have to look out that the last digit must be a 5 or 0. Other numbers that's be a unit place, it means that that's a number is not be a divisible. So all the students do your classwork, complete your homework, learn your lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.